Maybe this one? Or
This one more. This one even closer.
this one, no?
This one, yeah. It's similar,
Yeah.
huh?
I
This
think,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
Good. You like the link?
No, half of it.
Half of it?
Yeah. I think it's too big.
You done with this color?
No, not yet. Can you just leave there?
I think I've used this one, no?
This color?
No, yeah. Before?
I don't know. I don't remember. But this one's not really. It's not completely solid. It's a little bit see-through.
But it's, yeah, I like
You
this
like?
one.
Yeah, I like it too.
I will try something new.
Yeah.
So I have two friends that I convinced them to do dip.
Oh yeah.
They are Brazilian. So they did last weekend. They hate it
Oh really?
because it was this thick, like the way that
Oh
it
my
is.
god.
And then it was like, girls, there is only one person in this whole country that will not do thick dip, and
Okay,
her name is and her name is Nikki. And they were like, oh, maybe we will try another time, just one time. And they said, okay, if you wanna try, go
Yeah.
to Nikki. I will go with you. You cannot put the layer, the first base, and then
Oh
she
my
will
God.
do like. But yeah, it was so thick, like the way that's normally used, but we hate it because we are used to normal
Like.
polish.
Mm-hmm. Same shape, right?
Yeah. And they said because they like square, and they said that the many there do a lot of these and the it was
It's
terrible.
not square. It's kind of like this.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But the many like did a lot like in the
On the
corners.
side,
Yeah. And we don't like this much, so it was a nightmare. I felt so sorry for them because I was the one that convinced them.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Do you read books?
Huh?
Do you read book?
Yes.
Okay, so I have some books that you might like.
Oh.
Next time, or when you come, I'll bring it for you.
Oh, good.
Because I have some for free. Because Amazon they sent us a package that like wrong address, wrong name, and everything. So we called them and said, what do you want us to do with that? Like, do you want us to like send it somewhere, or like you guys come and pick it up? And they is like, you can have it for free, or you can give it to someone. It doesn't matter.
I
And
am crazy about books.
okay, so
yeah.
all the books I have is all about like how to get success.
Oh, that's
So I
great.
think like you
Oh,
might
good.
like something like that. So I'll bring
Oh,
it
I
to
would
you
love
next
it.
time. I have like I think 6, 7 of them. So I'll bring you some.
Oh, I would love it.
I'll bring two people, you and the other Brazilian client that I have. She love reading. I think she love reading books too. So
Yeah, wow, I love it. My mom actually, because we were.
is that length okay?
Yes. And will be a bit shorter yet, still, right?
Okay, yeah, we can do it a little bit
No,
shorter.
no, I mean, like, you will do, like, more time later, so...
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, after the powder we do it another time, so.
So are you gonna be the model of the?
That I don't know. Not really. I don't really want to be a model in this video.
But you should, Nikki. You are the best of this
No,
country.
not
People
really.
need to.
Every time like with that video on, I just so nervous. Like,
Uh-huh.
no, I don't.
Those friends of mine, they don't need. They don't. They don't live close here, so.
Oh yeah. Where do they live?
Well, it is close, but not like me just in front. So
Uh-huh.
one lives in Midtown,
Midtown.
and the other one in Rice Military,
Oh,
which is
okay.
close to Heights.
Oh, okay.
And there is this saloon that they go there, and they do massage and blah blah blah. And I said, okay.
But now they need to stay with the group like 3 weeks because they don't want to throw the money in the garbage. Yeah. So let's see after.
I haven't noticed your nails grow so much, huh?
Yeah, I agree. And maybe it's because of food, or I don't know.
Nah.
No,
No, it's maybe like
no.
good because your body is good. They say like your nail, if your nails grow good, it's a really good sign if your body is good.
Okay. But this one is start to grow like this here. Like giant. So I'm trying to remove the polish like at least a week before.
Why?
I want my nails to breathe a bit, you know, like not a week. So for example, I come here Friday, so I remove like Monday,
Oh, okay.
just so I don't know. I feel like I
It's
can breathe a bit.
okay.
Got me their parent where they're like when you're when you start to like what is it called? Pill. Yeah. And you complain about the quality, so she gave some merchandise credit. She did. And I was like, well, I'm not even trying to do that. I'm just trying to do it. Why did they let you exchange it? She asked me to see, did you get it off the box? She asked me to be a size 2. What was in it? It was like portable wine.
Do you still work from home?
Yes,
Do you like it better or you?
I miss the office.
So usually we do 2 coats of color and then 1 coat of top coat, right? So this time we're going to do 3 coats of color, no top coat.
I think you did this last time as well.
Yeah,
With
like
the
depend on the color.
yeah,
If-
depend on the color. Yeah, poor them. It was terrible, the nails. And they went to my home just after, and she was like, "How is this possible?"
Oh.
My hands? Yeah. Oh, you didn't your hands so much. Yeah. Oh, it's been a while.
I what?
Oh, she drove? Yeah, she drove. And I went passenger. It was so cool. We had to really bad. Yeah, we pulled over and we were trying to go to Chick-fil-A, but because we're not doing dining inside, they didn't have restrooms. Yeah. And so she went to Home Depot and I waited for her in the car and she came back and she left her purse with me. She's like, hey, Taylor, I actually need something here too. I was like, no. So she picked up like some laundry stuff. I was like, just the girlies. I know, it's cute.
I like the color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would totally go. It made me think of you when you were going to be the caution. Oh my god, that was. Oh, my mom counted down. Counted down. I hate going to those. Counted down. When I went to my dad to try and find like a screw for my car door. Yeah. The lap and you do like tighten it. Yeah. So it's like so many different nails. I know. Oh, they finalized my first name. Yeah. So we got the day after on Halloween. Yeah. It shouldn't be too bad though. I don't really have anything. That's true. Besides my bed. Yeah. So you really need it. I know. Stop. I know. I do. What is it? I have a good amount of time. And I don't need everything right away. Like, I'm okay with, like, not having everything.
How did you do your, like, because you already bought your washer and dryer, so how did you delay this?
So I did it because he told me, he was like, I think we could close on the 30th, but we put on in the system that he has the Friday after. He only closes on Fridays. For now. And he was like, just in case, because that's crazy. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure the 30th will be it. But you should just start moving the next day. Like, because sometimes things with closing can take longer, so just like move the next day. So I scheduled that for the 30th.
Friday?
30th Friday.
Okay.
Yeah. And so I scheduled them for that, which worked out.
Yeah, maybe you had something similar to this color before.
Yeah, I think so too.
Like last year, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Move it back. They just scared me to move it forward.
Oh, okay. Because I was going to say, you want that before you move in.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was this one, but
No, not really this one, but something similar. Or maybe like a little bit
Maybe
more brown than this.
probably.
Like maybe on.
Yeah, because this is the type of color I like it.
Mm-hmm.
They look great. I close Friday afternoon at like 1. Then maybe since I'm not moving, I'll have like the ADT person come and like the internet person come, so I can just get that stuff out. Yeah. I feel like Saturday is gonna be stressful.
You really need to get gas
I know.
electric setup.
My mom gave me her center point gas bill to set up, and then I need to set up. Electricity's so easy, but it takes like really too much.
Yeah, so you need to use those before.
What do you use for Wi-Fi? You use AT&T? Oh, you use Xfinity.
I like to say that.
How much do you pay?
Well, when you first started, it's cheaper.
Yeah.
And it's like, I think only our first year was like 40 a month, and now it's like 50 a month.
Okay.
55.
I just want to know what you paid so I know.
Bây giờ gì đâu tìm lắm.
And they only go, I mean, even now I have so.
I don't know. I'm not gonna do too well.
I just don't do it for
Stream everything. I like it better than you.
Yeah, I'll have to
Cô nó bị lép ha.
Dạ mà con muốn mỏng, cô muốn mỏng thịt mỏng. Thành tự ra chút nữa lép nó cũng càng lép nữa cơ. Nó cơn vậy nữa. Không làm base, làm 3 nước. Dạ. Xong rồi rũa xuống thật nhiều.
Xuống thật nhiều nó có mất bột không?
Lâu lâu cũng mất. Thì cứ mình rũa nhẹ nhẹ thôi, cái xong rồi là cái cô thấy ngồi riết, rũa riết, cô tự mà rũa nhiều thôi cô.
Almost purple, but we'll change.
No, I like it. It's like, it's trendy.
Yeah.
But for this year, it's not like purple, but it's like a little bit like purple, but it's gray. It's
Yeah.
good for fall.
Uh,
Like not like bright purple.
yeah.
Light